Today we are going to start new points of this chapter, that are the different model system in a genetics. We have here about the ideal organism in a genetics. Let's see what is the ideal organism in a different groups of a organism. Ideality has been maintained. What is the ideality? Ideality, that means all character are present in that specific organism, such as in sense of a microorganism or the bacteria. E. coli having the all genetic information, having the all character will be sufficient that can be represent all bacterial organism. Hence E. coli is included in a bacterial model system. There are different organism groups, such as the bacteria, then fungal group. In out of fungal, yeast, it is used as an ideal organism, because all characters of a fungus group that can be explained by that yeast, or that can be easy to study. Hence that is used as a model organism in that groups. That means that represent that groups all characters. Then in a animal, in case of animal, there is a Drosophila, that is a flies, that can represent all insect groups, that can be used as a animal model systems. Then next is the in plants. In plants, Arabidopsis, it is the one type of plant that represent all genetic information of all plants groups, that is maybe a gymnosperm, angiosperm, pteridophyte, or the any plant that represent by the Arabidopsis. Let's see, in this lecture we are going to see why that organism are included in a model system. Let's see, the first complete DNA sequence of an E. coli genome was published in 1997. The first genomic sequence, firstly in a E. coli, it is a sequence or the published in 1997, that are the laboratory strain K12 derivative MG1655, that are the genome sequence of E. coli, that was published in 1997. So this reason first was published in E. coli. For that purpose it is used as a ideal model or the genetic model. Despite, here are the about the 40-year genetic analysis. 40-year genetic analysis, some genes are unknown, but in E. coli there are that gene become a known. With the help of this character, due to which that E. coli, it is used as a genetic models. After that, a human genome project has started. Human genome project is started study of a human genome with having the some characteristics, that is a circular DNA which having the 4.6 million base pair length with 4288 annotated protein coding gene, 7 ribosomal RNA and 86 transfer RNA are required for that studying the human genome project. But in a E. coli having some similarity with that human genome. In a E. coli, very high density of gene are present, with a distance between the gene only 118 base pair are present, due to which as compared to human genome, that E. coli genome, it is a very smaller. In such condition, within the one gene there are the 118 base pair are present. Due to this similarity, to studying the human genome, E. coli used as a genetic model. There are the some factors due to which E. coli used as a genetic models. Let's see which are the factors. First, bacterial gene having the no introns. When we studying the genetics or the gene or the DNA, there are in DNA or the gene there are the three types of structure are present. Two types of structure are present: intron and exon. Intron, that means non-coding region, and the exon, that means a coding region. Intron are the region their coding will be not take place. Due to the such significant way, there is non-coding region, it is a totally absent or present in a very small amount. Due to this reason, E. coli used as a genetic model. There are some significant way due to which E. coli used as a genetic source. which are there are the significant number of transposable genetic element. In E. coli there are significant transposable genetic element. Transposable, that means a transfer from one genome to the another genome. Then repeat element, cryptic prophage and bacteriophage remnant, that are the some criteria or characters showing by the E. coli, so that E. coli are included as a bacterial model system. Today over 60 genome sequence of bacteria, that out of Escherichia and Shigella, that are the two bacterial organism. In that two bacterial organism are producing the 60 more than the 60 genome sequence. That means two organism genome are sequence, that are the two organisms. Shigella, it is a group of group or the organism which is the non-spore forming, gram-negative, non-motile, rod-shaped bacteria closely related to E. coli and the Salmonella. That is a one type of bacteria, but that are the gram-negative and non-spore forming bacteria. Comparison of these sequences, 20% of each genome represent sequence that are one isolate, 20% of genome that are the one isolate, and the 80% genome which are the vary among the isolate. That means they show the variation between the genome, but 20% they show the one represent the single genome, but 80% genome are the genome showing the variation. Each individual genome contain between the 4,000 and the 5,500 gene. Each individual genome contained 4,000 and 5,500 gene, but total number of different genes among the all sequence of E. coli strains, it is more than the 16,000. Due to such amount of genetical features, due to which that are used as a genetical bacterial model system. This is a very large variety of component gene has been interrupted, mean that 2/3 of the E. coli pan genome is originated in the other species and arrive through the process of a horizontal gene transfer. Let's say advantage of a E. coli genome system: rapid reproduction rate and a small size of a genome. Then under optimal condition, it reproduce every 20 meters. It reproduce every 20 meters in a 7 hours. That means reproduction rate is very high. That reproduce 20 meters length of a colony, but in a 7 hours. 20 meters size of a size reproduction size will get that colony when they get a 7 hours of a optimal condition. Single bacterial cell can give more than 2 million desiccant. Desiccant, that means offspring. Single bacterial cell can give more than the 2 millions desiccant. That means 2 million offspring single bacteria can be reproduced. Enormous number of a cell can grow quickly, so that even a very rare mutation will appear in a short period of times. Due to enormous or the large number of production or the growth will be occur in E. coli, due to which mutation also occur or the mutant species also can be produced. Consequently, numerous mutation of E. coli, everything from a colony appearance to drug resistance, have been isolated and the characterized. E. coli is easy to culture in a laboratory, in a liquid medium or in a solid medium. E. coli easy to grow in a liquid medium or a solid medium. In a liquid medium, it grows as per to single cell as a concentration billion cell per millimeter, and trillion bacterial cell easily can grow in a single test tube in a liquid culture media. In a liquid culture media, single cell grows up to single cell grows up to billion cell per millimeter. Take consideration, single cell grows into billion cell per millimeter, and the trillion bacterial cell can be grow into the single test tube. When E. coli cell is diluted and spread on the solid media or the Petri plate, individual can produce up to 10 million to 100 million identical cell. These colony formation make easy to isolate genetical, making the pure strains of a bacteria. Okay, this is about the bacterial model system of a E. coli. Let's see next model system in a fungal group, that are the yeast. Yeast, it is a one type of a eukaryotic organism which are classified into fungi, which having the species number 1500. Most are the unicellular, some species may become multicellular, size of about 3 to 4 micrometer in a diameter, reproduce asexually by a mitosis, and the asymmetrically division will be take place, that is known as a budding. It is also known as a chemoorganotrophs. Chemoorganotrophs, that means that organism are made for the synthesis of a chemical from that organic materials, hence that is known as a chemoorganotrophs. Often isolated from the sugar rich materials such as the skin, fruit and the berries. It is isolated from the skin, sugar containing material or the sugar rich material. Some are found to association with the soil and insect. That are the some characteristics of a yeast organism. Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Saccharomyces pombe is regarded as model organism in molecular biology. Most of the principle of cellular system function are similar way of a yeast and a human. All genome are not similar of a yeast and human, but some extent of character of genome yeast having the similar, because yeast also one type of a eukaryotic organism and the human is also one type of a eukaryotic organism, due to which they show the similarities. But yeast not a just a simple human cell. Yeast are unicellular, hence they lack of a important complexity. Yeast do not show the more complexity as compared to the human genome, but in human genome there are the more complexity are present. By the way of Althog, Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Saccharomyces pombe are both yeast. They are as a distinct from each other from the human genome. They are distinct from human genome. Why yeast used as a genetic system? Let's see. It is a non-pathogenic, so it can be handled with a few precautions. That are the first character. Why yeast are included as a genetic system? Because it is non-pathogenic. Non-pathogenic, that means it cannot spread disease, so that it can be handled easily with taking a few precautions. Rapid growth rate, because it reproduces asexually by the budding. It can be reproduced easily. Grow as a dispersed cell and facilitate replica plating and the mutant isolation. Highly versatile DNA transformation system. It is a highly versatile DNA transformation system, due to which it is included as a genetic model system. It can be maintained stable haploid and the diploid state, that can be facilitate genetic analysis. Small genome size. It is having the small genome size that are 1.2 into 10 raised to 7 base pairs. It is a very smaller genome size. Is only about the 3.5 x larger E. coli. That size is a very larger E. coli. Very active homologous recombination machinery. Novel techniques make the yeast valuable for the study and the many organism. That can be done with the help of a yeast. Okay, this is about today's lecture. Model organism system in the bacteria and the model organism system in a fungus group. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts related to model organism system, please comment below the section, and don't forget like, share and subscribe.